Dear students, welcome to this series of video lessons for Standard 4 Computer Science. In today's video lesson, you are going to learn about systematic listing and tree diagram. We will also discuss some examples of listing problems. In my previous lesson, which was also based on systematic listing, we discussed some examples of systematic listing and tree diagram. In today's video lesson, we will discuss few more examples of the same. So what is systematic listing and tree diagram? A systematic approach of solving a mathematical problem by listing all possible outcomes is called systematic listing. So when you have some problem to solve, if you list all the possible outcomes or answers of that problem systematically in the form of list, then the chances that you will miss out some option will be minimum. That is why while solving any mathematical problem, your approach should be systematic. Tree diagram is a way to solve a problem and come to conclusions by writing all outcome as branches. So when you write solution to any problem with the help of tree diagram, you are basically making a diagram with branches, and at each branch we write a possible outcome. These definitions of systematic listing and tree diagram will be more clear when we discuss the example. Example 1a. Now here is a question. Students have the following choices. So there are some sandwich choices: ham, turkey, pastrami, and there are some drink choices like water, milk and juice. So our question is, if student has to choose only one sandwich and one drink, then how many total choices are available? So here you should remember that student can choose only one sandwich and one drink at a time. So if you want to list out all the possible outcomes, then you can simply use systematic listing, or you can solve the same problem with the help of tree diagram. I will show you both the ways. Now look at the video which will be played in the window. 3 sandwich choices and then you have 3 drink choices. If you want to list out all the possible outcomes, then the possible outcomes will be like this: HW. Here H stands for ham and W stands for water. So you can have ham water combination, or you can have ham milk combination, or you can have ham juice combination. Same way, the other choices are TW, means turkey water, then turkey milk and turkey juice. Similar way, you have pastrami water, pastrami milk or pastrami juice. So in this way, if you list out the possible outcomes, then you can solve a problem in a better way. Now let us see how to solve a same problem by drawing a tree diagram. Now here we are considering the same problem which we discussed earlier. Now see how you can draw a T diagram to list out the possible choices. Now here you list out the sandwich choices in this way, write it down, and then below each of the sandwich choice you write all the drink choices and show the branches as shown in the figure. So ham, below ham you will write the three drink choices water, milk, juice in the form of branches. Below turkey also you will write all three drink choices, and below pastrami also you will write all three drink choices. So in this way, if you are showing your outcome with the help of figure, a tree like figure, then it is called as tree diagram. So both of the options, either listing the choices in a systematic way or by solving your problem with the help of tree diagram, you can use. Now let us discuss some more example. Now in this example you have been given four number cards where 8, 4, 2 and 1 written on it. So the question says how many different two-digit numbers can be formed by using these cards. So you have to use these cards to form two-digit numbers. Now if you want to solve this problem with the help of tree diagram, then what you can do, write the first number and then show the tree branches writing the remaining three numbers as you can see in the video. In front of 8 I have written 4, 2, 1. In front of 4, 8, 2, 1. Likewise, you can write for 2 as well as digit 1. So now you have list out all the options with the help of branching. Now let us see how you can form the two-digit numbers. So forming a two-digit numbers will be very easy once you have written all the choices with the help of tree diagram. So now see in this example, if you consider any one number card like 8 and then try to list out the number of digits that you can form with this combination of 8 and the remaining numbers 4, 2, 1, then you will see that there are three possible ways with each of the given number. So we have been given four numbers and there are three possible ways for each of the number. So if somebody asks you how many total digits can be formed, so it can be taken out by writing number of ways for each digit and multiplying it with the number of digits. So 4 multiplied by 3, it gives you 12. So in this way, any problem you can list in the form of tree diagram so that it will be easier for you to solve that problem. Now next example. Now here in this example, this problem I had given you earlier as a homework. Now today I will give you the solution of that problem. Siddharth wants to buy a pair of shoes. He can buy running or a soccer shoes. And the shoes can come in blue, black, red or white. So the question says how many different ways can Siddharth choose a pair of shoes? So again list all the possible ways in the form of tree diagram. So below pair of shoes you first write soccer, running, and below each option you write all four possible colors. Now after making a tree diagram, then you can list all the possible choices like soccer blue, then next choice soccer black. In this way, if you list out all the possible choices, it will come out to be 8. So 8 number of ways Siddharth can choose a pair of shoes. Now one last example we will discuss. Now here in this example, Kavya is ordering a cake for a friend. The bakery offers lemon or vanilla flavored cakes. Now again, each flavor can come with green or pink frosting. She can pick up fudge or cherry filling. List all the possible combinations with the help of tree diagram. Now when you solve this type of problems, I suggest that at least twice you go through the question. And then first of all you list all the conditions given like we did in this tree diagram. So below cake, first of all you write down the flavors available. So lemon flavor and vanilla. Below flavors, then you write down frostings, green and pink. So for each of the color, green and pink frosting is applicable. Again, for each frosting you have two filling options, fudge and cherry. So list these two filling options below each of the frosting color. So in this way, once you have drawn this tree diagram, then taking out the conclusions, taking out the outcomes will be very easy for you. Now see as shown, lemon, green and fudge is your first option. Then lemon, green and cherry will be your second option. In this way, you can list out all the possible combinations very easily. So in this today's video lesson, you have learnt that systematic listing and tree diagram helps us to solve our problems in an easy and effective way. I hope you must have understood today's topic. Now, this topic is the last topic of your evaluation 1 portion. Now, related to this portion, I suggest that you go through all the video lessons that I have already given you. Go through all the PDFs of study material, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me your queries on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.